Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to Gobber Show, and finally, it's Gunpla Show, and we will unleash a Gunpla for today. Yeah, another Gunpla, and this is one of the greatest the greatest and very something weird kind of Gundam, or not Gundam, but Gunpla, because this is a grand one, a grand suit. Okay, and I've ordered this outside of the country, so from overseas. So there are some Japanese kind of writings on the backs. Yeah, Sasagawa, and that's the only. No, not Sasagawa, but Sagawa. I don't know what it is, but yeah, let's go. Let's open it with my Rusty but so trusted Habinite. Let's go. Let's unleash. Let's go. Okay, so we have here, yeah, a very weird. The kit is, I think it's coming to me right now. I think it's not so weird, but the name is very weird. Yeah, very weird. The name is very weird. Why? So I need to introduce it to you first so that you can see why it's very weird. But because this is your HG Mobile Suit Gundam G-Quax Sugai's Gelgoog GQ. Okay, it's a Gelgoog in the name, but you can see the form. I know. You can see it that it's not a Gelgoog. It's a GM, man. This is a GM, but they named it as Gelgoog. I don't know what happened to the naming under the Gundam G-Quax. Why they named GM as a Gelgoog? Maybe it's Gelgoog. No, Gelgoog machine. That's why it's called GM. But yeah, it's named as Gelgoog. I don't know. I will try to search on the internet to have the explanation for this one. But still, for now, I don't have an answer why it's called Gelgoog. So do not ask me why it's called Gelgoog. Just, if you have time, please research why it's called Gelgoog. Okay? Write down on the comments. Okay? So yeah, so much for that. Let's go to the design of the... I'm so invested in the name because it's very weird, man. It's a GM. Literally, it's really a GM, but the name is very different. Okay, now let's go to the kit, or to the unit itself. Okay, so the Gelgoog right here. Yeah, I'm so distracted to the overall illustration of the unit because for me it's really a GM, man. It's not a Gelgoog. So for the Gelgoog right here, you can see there that it's not Gelgoog again, because yeah, it's GM, man. But yeah, we can see here it's very intricate, man, because the design also is really like kind of the G-Quax, which is I have right here, but yeah, it's already on the file, so I will not disturb it because maybe all the files will fall onto me right here if I will get it under the files. Okay, so yeah, the details right there, you can see at the side of the box. It's really kind of same as usual, not as usual, but same kind of pattern of designs of the Gundam G-Quax, and also the Zaku Police, or the Police Zaku rather. Okay, and then at the back right here, another side, you can see there the rear and the front form of our Sugai's Gelgoog. And yeah, wow, it's very different because it has kind of booster at the back on its feet. You can see there, see that yellow? It's like a booster pack for its feet to fly. There you can see there's a booster, and then there's the fuel. It's like a fuel tank. So it's really kind of, it's, if you're an army aiming for this unit, you really want to aim at the feet, because if you get that tank, that fuel tank, it will just go explode. But yeah. Okay, so again, weird, but still, it's a Gundam. No, it's not a Gundam. It's a Gunpla. It's a plastic model, so it's still good. And as I told you, Gundam G-Quax units are very, very nice to heal your burnout in building. Same kind pattern of building some Gundam units or some Grant units from the Gundam universe. Okay, so yeah, and I like this one. This one GM right there. And now it's a GM, man. It's Gilgong. Another Gilgong right there. Yeah, if it will go release, I will also order that. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next videos. And this kit will have an unboxing. Yeah, we already have an unleashing, unboxing, and after the unboxing, you know that I have a new format. I will not really go to any kind of verbal reviews. I will just showcase you the kit. Yeah, that's how I can make faster kind of vlogs right now, because I think if I will upload this is already in June, and I think for this time I only have more than a week kind of free time, because after a week I will go back to my work as a teacher. Yeah, another busy life for 10 months again. Yeah. Okay, so that's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Number Show signing off. That's it. Thank you, and peace out. Bye. Woo. Gelgo. Okay, write in the comment if you know why it's called Gelgo. But it's a GM, man. It's a GM.